This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Starter motor replacement. Open the door and pull the hood release lever located on the driver's side kick panel. Slide the hood safety latch to the left, then raise the hood upwards. Disconnecting the negative battery cable. Loosen the negative cable clamp nut, then disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery and secure it out of the way to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Place a floor jack under the frame rail, raise the front of the truck, then support it with a jack stand placed under the frame rail in front of the floor jack. Remove the engine undercover. Flip open the protective cover, then unscrew the nut and disconnect the battery positive cable from the starter. Unscrew the nut, then disconnect the starter solenoid cable. Loosen and remove the starter motor mounting bolts, then remove the starter. Install the starter motor and screw in the mounting bolts. Tighten the starter mounting bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the starter solenoid and battery positive cables to the starter terminals. Screw on the nuts and tighten them securely, then push the protective cover over the positive cable terminal. Install the engine undercover, tightening the fasteners securely. Lower the front of the truck to the ground. Release the handbrake, reconnecting the negative battery cable. Connect the cable to the negative terminal of the battery, then tighten the cable clamp nut securely.